Technology trends changing the world intro. Hey there, learners. Today we're going to explore how technology trends are changing the world around us. You might be wondering why this matters, and the answer is simple. Technology is now a part of almost every aspect of our lives. From the way we communicate to the way we work, technology is shaping the world we live in. By the end of this video, you'll understand some of the key trends driving these changes and why they're important. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is one of the biggest technology trends right now. It refers to the idea that everyday objects can be connected to the Internet, making them smart. This means things like thermostats, lights, and even refrigerators can be controlled remotely using our smartphones. For example, you could turn on your living room lights from work, or get an alert on your phone when your groceries are running low. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another key trend that's changing the world. AI refers to the ability of computers to think and learn like humans. This is used in everything from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars. AI is also being used in healthcare to help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. 5G networks are the latest generation of mobile networks. They offer much faster speeds and lower latency than previous networks, which means that data can travel more quickly and efficiently. This is important for applications like online gaming, virtual reality, and even remote healthcare. Cybersecurity. As more devices connect to the Internet, cybersecurity becomes a bigger concern. This is the practice of protecting our devices and data from cyber threats like hacking and malware. It's essential to use strong passwords, keep software up to date, and use firewalls to protect our online security. Sustainability and technology. Finally, technology is also playing a key role in sustainability. This includes using renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, as well as creating sustainable products like electric cars and biodegradable packaging. Recap. That's it for today's video. We've covered the key technology trends changing the world: the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, 5G networks, cybersecurity, and sustainability. These trends are driving innovation and changing the way we live and work. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you.